The President of the Association of African Private Universities (AAPU), Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, has paid a courtesy visit to the proprietor of Northwest University Sokoto, Senator Aliyu Magatakarda Wamakko, in his residence ahead of the university's matriculation ceremony slated for the 12th of August 2023. Professor Gwarzo, who is also the proprietor of 4 prestigious international universities across Nigeria, Kaduna, Abuja, Kano, as well as Maradi in Niger Republic, was accompanied during the visit by some management staff of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria. They included the President of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, Vice President of MAAUN Nigeria, Dr. Shaibu Tanko, Vice Chancellor Franco-British International University Kaduna, Professor Abdullahi Muhammad Sabo, Secretary General AAPU, Professor Abubakar Sadiq Haruna. On arrival, Professor Gwarzo and his entourage were warmly received by Senator Wamakko in his residence in Wamakko town, Sokoto State. Senator Wamakko expressed delight for the visit, which he described as a singular honor, while lauding Professor Gwarzo for his incredible and painstaking effort towards the development of education in Nigeria and beyond. Speaking during the visit, Professor Gwarzo expressed appreciation to Senator Wamakko for the warm reception accorded to them and commended the senator for taking the bold step to establish a private university for the promotion of educational development in the state. The duo had a lengthy discussion on important areas of development and expressed commitment towards supporting the poor and vulnerable to alleviate their sufferings, especially in the current socio-economic crisis pervading the country.